I'm feeling better, thank you. Yesterday I was dead. Yeah, FOMC was tough. We ended our win streak yesterday, but shit happens, so can't really do anything about it. But let's see how the 4-hour closes. Want to see that reversal playing out, especially GU is looking nice for further downside. This just looks like tons of liquidity being taken out of the markets. Like yesterday was crazy, and dollar. If we just look at dollar daily time frame, yesterday daily just wicked the lows as expected. If you guys remember, I was talking about this since Monday. I did say dollar is gonna take the low at 100.514 before potentially it going up, and that's exactly what it did. Price took liquidity from the lows, rejected it, and now I do believe dollar is gonna head towards liquidity right here. I strongly believe that. Today is Thursday, so it's perfect, and 1 hour is also looking nice. You see how we took the lows, broke structure to the upside, came back down again to retest. EU, same thing, you know. 1 hour broke down, came back up to retest this high, and now it's going down. So if we get 4 hour, which we will get the 4 hour bearish close, I'll be looking at the retracement to enter sells on, basically recover the loss from yesterday, because we got wicked and then basically take profit was almost it. So let's see. Hello everyone on YouTube. We got 160 people. Sell on EU. Yeah, GU looks a little bit better. Let's see. 1 hour is breaking down. 50 minutes also breaking down. If we could see 4 hour closing and then a retest of this area, I will be entering a sell, something like this. 30 pips stop loss. Go for a 1 to 2. It looks pretty good. What are we? We are up 1% this month. We were up 1.5% if I remember correctly, and then we lost 0.5% yesterday. EU sells, so still 1 hour. Can play that off in 2 trades to try to make 2-3%. When you get a chance, I'm trying to come with a clear plan to pass the challenge. In what way? Has there been a point where you felt like giving up? Giving up is for losers. You give up, then all the time. So you give up now, all those 2 years are wasted. That's basically what you mean. You give up after 2 years of trying, you just wasted 2 years of your life for nothing. So do you want to waste those 2 years, or do you want to keep working? You should risk 1 to 2-3% max on phase 1 and 2%, 1 to 2% phase 2. Have a quick few trades. Futures, I haven't started. When I will start going into the futures, I will tell you guys. Right now, I'm kind of lacking the motivation, but I will go into it because I no longer have, you know, there's a YouTube video coming up. I don't know if this weekend, but next week, about my current platform, you know, portfolio situation. Spoiler alert, I'm not really trading any more platforms. So I'm thinking of going into the futures platforms just to keep trading, you know, with capital like that. So soon. Pound yen. Well, pound yen is doing their retracement. They have heavy retracement up. That's why I said in this area I don't like taking trades in this area, because I don't know if price will continue following the structure to go bearish or will realign bullish and then start going bullish. So it doesn't look good at the moment. Just looks like it will retest and continue up. That's how it looks. Gold should also touch that 2,600 institutional level that we talked about 2 days ago to the point, and then drop, retest, and now it should go down again. But tons of manipulation, like very hard to trade, very hard conditions, not gonna lie. You can't say I give up without saying I'm gay. No, I only take one position in a good trade. What futures? I think I'll just go for S&P or EU futures maybe. I don't know. Need to document the journey and find my edge, but that requires time, and time I didn't really have time. What is the view? We're waiting for the 4-hour close in 2 minutes, and then I'm expecting EUG to continue down, but hopefully it will give us a retracement. Expecting dollar to keep going up from this point. Yeah, I'm waiting for a potential sell on EU or GU. Which pair you must trade? I only trade EU, GU and gold. Have a 40k FTMO. What's max risk? 1% max risk. On FTMO, if you risk more than 1%, they're gonna ban you anyways. You'll see that. No, I'm not in a trade now. Streaming as a prop owner, giving people wins 2 ways. Yeah. How many trades? 2 trades or 3 trades maximum a week. I started being profitable from like the 2nd to 3rd year. Are you hiring? No, we're not hiring right now. But if you are in, I mean, marketing, we're not really looking at getting anyone in. We'll make this kind of live more times. Well, this is the second this week, so next week maybe we'll do 3. I want to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday maybe. Alright, we got a 4-hour close. So nice 4-hour bearish close. Daily is rejecting again the highs. It's kinda against daily time frame, but I'm willing to take the risk. 4-hour also GU looks a little bit better, to be honest, with daily rejecting the highs again. So what I'm waiting for now is retracement inside this area. I would like a retracement at the same level right here. So somewhere around this area. EU's this area. I want to see a retracement here, looking for shorts. Gold, don't want to trade gold. Fuck gold. Just wait for EU or GU. Yeah, FTM is gonna ban you. So if you raise more than 2% in the challenge, if it's your first challenge, and this was tested by me, by the way, if it's your first challenge, they will give you a warning, but they will let you trade. If it's your not the first challenge, they'll reset you to phase 1. And then on the funded account, they will give you a warning to only risk 1% per trade. And if you go above that, they're gonna give you 2 warnings. After the second warning, they're gonna ban you. In the case of M15, why do you not include the week on Fib? I am like this week. This was the move that broke structure on the 4-hour, 1 hour here. That's the high. On EU, it would be this one, which coincides with that, you know. Change your chart background. I cannot. What chart background? I've been using this gray background for 3 years now. I cannot have white. White hurts my eyes very bad. I don't understand people having white on the background. It literally hurts my eyes. So I don't know what other background should I have. I don't even know how to change the background. Out here. But I don't want to change it. White. God damn, how do people trade on white charts? Can't even look at the chart. Black is too black. Let's have it purple. Damn. Now this one is the best. This is too dark. This is perfect. I don't know, people have white. I can't. God damn. No, this was not my color. I want it back. Okay, this one. I am more of a swing trader now, actually. Yeah, white chart is like a flashbang. If you trade on white background, you're a psychopath. Your stream looks so blurred. Does it look blurred? Not sure why. Should be pretty clear. Is it blurred? Yeah, Discord one is nice, because your eyes are already just hit the screen, probably. He lives in a place with slow network speed? No, the internet speed is pretty good. Not sure why. Maybe you're lagging. GU, this is where I'm waiting. I'm waiting for our price to retrace up here, and then look for lower time frame confirmation. Oh, that guy, yeah. It should be, I'm streaming at 180p, 60 FPS. Yeah, true. Romania has very good internet speed. E8 is pretty good, yeah, but they're expensive. See, good platforms are expensive. We're becoming more expensive each day, Fortuna. We have to. That's the industry standard. So let's see. Let me show you guys yesterday's loss on EU because this was disappointing. This was a heartbreak. So we shorted before FOMC. I shorted because I couldn't watch the charts, so I wanted to get in a position. And obviously that backfired, but I only used half risk. So what was the entry? 1-3 was 1-1-2. No, not. Was it 1-1? Yeah. Unfortunately, it was. Well, what am I doing? Profit. This is the trade that we took yesterday. 1 hour broke lower. Was pretty sure it was gonna go down. And FOMC broke hearts, came higher. Wanted that old weekly, monthly high that I was talking about. And yeah, then it almost went to take profit too. Came back up. This would have been a better trade, but I didn't trade during London. But yesterday was like, what is this, man? And then Asia going down and reversing completely. Crazy moves, crazy liquidity. This is Euro USD. I'm not sure why, because I'm using the same thing here. Now you can see it better. Euro USD 15. I had a trade because of Sleepy Armor lost my account. It was, I mean, there's nothing we can do. That happens at every platform, that happens at every broker. Slippage, especially with FOMC, because look at this. Right, look at this 1 minute candle. 50 pips in, let's look at 5 seconds. Right, this moved 35 pips on EU on a 5 second candle. Like in 2 seconds it moved 35 pips. Every broker will slip you, like there's no way to. Even I got slipped on the IC markets on the sell that I had. I got slipped like 15 pips. That's why I risk 0.5%, right? Because I knew there was the risk of getting slipped. That happens at every broker. Let me watch the stream on my phone, see how it looks, because you people are saying you cannot see the stream. Going to advanced, 180p, 60 FPS, and the chart looks pretty clear. I mean, it could be clearer, but you can see the pair, you can see everything. Not sure why the candles are looking pretty bad. See? Looks pretty good. I got slipped on another firm to my 1% risk, turned into 3%. I got slipped on IC markets as well, which is normal. Yeah, exactly, but it's hard to explain to people. People complain all the time, like, and I understand now, because it's hard running a prop firm, right? People complain about things that they already agreed to. So and people call us scammers, stuff like that. Yeah, we're looking at the fib area to take a sell. That's exactly it. I will be waiting for price to come into there, and then I will wait for a 1 minute, 5 minute confirmation. Make the chart bigger. Looks like 2005. I don't know what's wrong with it. Let me try to fix it. I don't know. Is it on all the pairs? Alright, let me restart this. No, not this one. Beats me. Because on Discord it's fine. I'm not sure about YouTube. I think it's just YouTube. So yeah, I was talking about Fortuna. We have people complaining that, you know, they broke the rules and they had their account breached and whatever. That happens with any prop firm. There's no reason to call us scammers for that. Because I don't like gold. I don't like gold. Gold is just going up, up, up. So here is a situation that we had today at Fortuna, right? We had a guy getting to the find account using a trade copier, right? You can see it if they are using Traders Connect, and clearly states on our website that if you're using a trade copier, you can only copy trades from your personal account, which is under your name, obviously, or from your Fortuna Traders account, right? Because that's the only way we can check that it's actually you trading. So we asked for more information, and this guy just provided us you know, oh, I copied trades from my FTMO account and from my TFT account. And I was like, all right, do you have an investor password for those? And he said, no, I only have for FTMO. Like, and only a few trades are from the FTMO account. So makes you wonder, like, where were the trades copied from? And there's no possible way for us to check who traded the accounts, because FTMO doesn't have your name in the account. TFT doesn't have your name in the account. And so the only thing we could do is breach their account, because they broke the rules. They broke the trade copier. They didn't copy trades from their personal account. And now this guy is leaving a lot of bad reviews, calling us a scammers, calling me scammer, that I'm saying you should use a trade copier. Well, I'm not allowing that. It's just so many headaches, right, for a 10K account. And I am saying use a trade copier, but in all my videos I said, if you use a trade copier, use it from your personal account. That's what I did. I had my IC Markets account that was trading, copying trades from my IC Markets account to my prop firm accounts. And when a prop firm asked for an investor password, here's my investor password from my IC Markets account where I took the trades from. You can clearly see, and there was no issues. So why is he calling us a scammer? Do you think we're right, or that he is right, that we are scammers? No, prop firms do not share information about traders. Fortuna traders, you can see down below, can use code FT10 for, actually this was modified. We are now having 20% off. So let me modify this really quick, because we have 20% now. There you go. My IC Markets account is over 6 figures. Make bigger chart. Guys are complaining that 1/3 of the screen on YouTube is your face and chat. Oh, alright. But I'm not sure, because this is a template that I'm using, an overlay. Cannot really make it look bigger. Come on. Come a bit higher. Could react from 1 hour supply. Yeah, it could react. I'm waiting for higher as well, because you know, this could just easily continue higher and higher. But I haven't seen dollar dropping so much in quite a while, you know. Sounds like he didn't understand the rules that are clearly stated. Yeah. Literally, there's no hidden rules. You go to trading rules, those are all the rules. Because I think it's overextending, so I don't think EU will continue higher now. It should pull back. Should pull back lower, you know, and I'm not really interested in buying at the top. What was the largest withdrawal? I think it was like 30, 40k. 30k, I think. Oh, from IC Markets, I thought you said prof from. Yeah, IC Markets was like 40k. $30k. I never withdrew more than 30k at once. For example, I use my ACG file account to trade copy fortune. I'll give you the master password since I trust you. No, you can't give us, because then I will access your account, and then Alpha Capital will flag your account and they'll deny your payout. So we cannot log in. We cannot log in any accounts using the master password. We can only log in using Investor, because with Investor, you're not really logging in into the account, right? You're not accessing it, you're just viewing the history. Because that guy provided us with their you know, master password, and I was like, no, we can't do that. That's, you know, yeah, exactly. Then that's what I'm saying. Just open a demo account on IC Markets. It doesn't have to be a live account, and copy from that account. It's not that hard. It's just one account. Doesn't cost you anything. Takes 3 minutes to do it, you know, and that saves you a lot of headache. Yeah, IC Markets did sort out the money transfer. Yeah, it did sort it out. It took like 3 weeks, but I got it. I withdrew it to another bank. So at the moment, I'm still at IC Markets. When we start our brokerage, our new broker, then I will be using that broker. But until then. Yeah, IC Markets is banned in Europe now. You cannot open an account anymore. You can open, it's not banned. You can go to icmarkets.eu. It's their European company, but who had an account before, they can still use it. So I'm still using global IC Markets. Why you will not use platforms anymore? Because all of them banned me because I opened Fortuna Traders. There's a video coming about it. Fortuna Trader has only C Trader at the moment. We're adding Trade Locker in about 1 to 2 weeks. Personal account, I'm risking like 3%. Now I don't teach my family how to trade. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for. That sell. Does look good. Let's see. Yeah, I know futures have stricter rules. I mean, prop firms will have more and more strict rules pretty soon. No, we're not removing C Trader. Everyone will keep their accounts on C Trader. We'll just add Trade Locker as the main platform, and C Trader is gonna be an extra $10 for whoever wants to use C Trader because it's too expensive for us. Pretty shout for 3 days for new rules, then follow it. Yeah. No, we're not on prop for match yet because they require like 3 months of activity. Yes, I'm using 3% risk on my personal capital because I've traded EU and GU for the last 4 years, so that's what I'm trading. Challenge and verification takes me like 2-3 weeks, 2 weeks max, but you can take like a month. Why I'm expecting down moves? Because we need to have a retracement. We had a nice 4-hour close after rejecting the high. We had a break of structure yesterday with FOMC. We broke lower, and I'm expecting to continue a little bit down. But if it doesn't come in the next 30 minutes, then I will not be looking for a trade today, and I will be looking tomorrow, because I only like to trade like the first hour of New York Open. Yeah, Trade Locker is amazing. So I don't know if I think we'll remove C Trader because it doesn't make sense. It's just too expensive for us and for any prop firm. Unless you are issuing like $10,000, 10K accounts a month, you're gonna have very high pricing. Daily drawdown is equity based. It's in the Discord at the resources tab. That's where the script is. Yeah, but that was a bit too aggressive, that sell right there. Want to see the 0.7 retracement. If it makes a new low, then that's unfortunate, but this was too aggressive. Where we do have your stop loss? Stop loss would have been huge because you need to cover the high. And when I have retracement setups, setups, I like that the low is at least at a 1-to-1. So here, if I was like 20 pips, not even the low, like 70% towards the low, somewhere like this, you know. Yeah, you can use Trade Locker. Drop the link for what? So you have unfortunately equity based drawdown. If we draw the new drawdown is calculated based on the balance before. I think it's for that. I think it should reset. I'm not entirely sure how it the logic it works, but obviously it will reset to initial balance. So it's not trailing drawdown. I think that's what you mean. So if you draw profits, your account, you're basically gonna get a new account, new fund account, and then you'll have drawdown from there. Max allocation is 200k with us. Check gold. Gold is, I don't like gold, but gold should continue down from this point. I think it should continue down towards 2,550. USD CAD. Let's see what USD CAD does. Yeah, looks like it wants to go down. Same thing, you have the retracement. And there, we wait for confirmation, and then we should head towards the lows. Close this imbalance right there. I will be in Dubai until the end of the year. Need to go there for my visa. So not sure, maybe in November, because December is pretty expensive in Dubai. End of the year is very expensive. Yes, I have received offers, but I didn't take any. Not really worth my while. Can you check AUD NZD? AUD NZD. You're looking for buys, right? Yeah. Still has room to go up. Retest, lower time frame confirmation, and should head towards this high. Yeah, I do think GU should continue lower. The patience, yeah, the waiting, that's what I wait for. Euro AUD buys. No, this is bearish. It's going down. It's going down towards the, I mean, we have the area here where price is approaching. But it's still bearish. So unless you see 4-hour switching structure bullish, no buys. What do you think about Quant Tekel? I don't want to talk about them, man. I don't know how those guys are even running that business. My accounts? No, they banned me, bro. Ascendix banned me. They banned me because I used my stop loss was placed at 3%. Plus, it was placed at 3% plus the $60 commission. So for that $60 commission, they denied my 15K payout and banned me. What time frame do you usually see market structure shift? I'm saying 4 hour, and lower time frame is like 50 minutes, 5 minutes. Come on, is anything happening, or would this just continue going lower? 1 hour is rejecting. You see, 1 hour barely touched that area, so it's not really my kind of setup. But this, if this continues down, the next target would be this area. So that's a 30 pip drop. EU next target, same thing around here, so 20-30 pips. I'm not trading NAS, so I have no idea. USD CAD, I did go over it. So USD CAD should continue retracing towards that area 1.36, and then lower time frame confirmation, continuation lower. Do you think GU dropping until 1.30? Not that low. I think more like 1.315. I'm not trading NAS, I'm not trading indices. I'm not into MIP coins, no. I believe MIP coins are just there to burn your money. So, don't trade meme coins. Yes, discount codes are below if you watch. You got FT20 for 20% extra on top of the prices on Fortunate Traders. Or if you want to join our community, use code NFX. Seems like price just froze now. Not really moving anymore. It's been yesterday was crazy FOMC. Not sure we have any more news tomorrow. Nothing really. Next week, do you have any? This month was pretty slow, to be honest. Yeah, next week we have a bunch of Euro news. So maybe we'll see volatility pick up tomorrow. Next week, sorry. Yeah. You just enter the code. News at 4. When? Tomorrow. No, I'm not going for broker-backed props. I've heard bad things about them. They seem to be banning a lot of traders pretty fast. So, but you guys will see. Everyone's so hyped about broker-backed prop firms. They're probably gonna get a lot more payout denials. News today shouldn't really do much. Yeah, call it a day. Let's stick around for 10 more minutes and then calling a day. We have the law being taken on EU. So retracement didn't come in, and GU also making a new low. So that totally invalidates our, I mean, it doesn't invalidate our area. It's just if it comes back up, we need additional confirmation. US traders, we're gonna accept US traders at Fortunate Traders at the end of the month. Yes, USD dollar, USD dollar is like in saying United States dollar. You don't go longs. Nice. Seems like if you keep buying gold, it's gonna keep going up, but we took out that 2,600 level, so not sure. Let's see what crypto is doing. It's being bullish, which I love to see. I love to see crypto going bullish. But we are approaching daily highs here, so that should encounter some resistance. So hopefully it doesn't reject and keeps pushing higher. And December is coming, so maybe we'll see all-time highs again. December, that would be very nice. 4% of my account feel disappointed and if psychology advice. Just take a break until next week. Start trading again next week. You can get that back in 2 trades. How are you going to keep your prop firm honorable? Well, we have no payout denials, no hidden rules. We'll stick to that. Yeah, I am into crypto. I have more than half a million crypto. When do you hunt for setups? Next week, I only take trades from Tuesday to Thursday, sometimes Fridays, but usually Tuesday to Thursday. So I only trade like 3 days a week, basically. Monday we'll do a live stream, just chill, do the analysis. If you guys go back and watch Monday's stream when price was here, I said that, you know, the plan for this week is for EU to take out this high and then look for shorts. And 2 days later, we took the high, we shorted, and now I'm looking for shorts. So this is the thing. Monday is my day where I plan the scenarios for that week, see where I want liquidity to be taken from, what's the objectives, and what trade I'm looking for, and then just wait for that setup to develop. If it doesn't develop, then I'm not taking a trade. It's pretty easy. I don't know what a breaker block is, to be honest. Max drawdown of... What do you mean max drawdown is 5% only? Max drawdown should be like 8% or 10%. If it's you can only risk 1%, then you need to risk 0.5% or 1/4% to get back. Alright, I'm gonna post the link now. And if you want to join our community, now we don't have MetaTrader yet. We only have C-Trader, and we're adding Trade Locker. The promo code probably until the end of the month. No time limit. Yeah, 2% on a 100k account is like $1.6k in your bank. That's more than any salary, most likely, yeah. Maximum lot size, we do have a rule with that, yeah. Oh, so that's what I call a flip zone. But I wanted to see the flip zone. I had the flip zone marked here a little bit higher. I mean, it's the same thing almost, yeah. You're taking this one, but I'm looking at just here. That's my flip zone, and you see GU's dropping, but no entry for us, unfortunately. So this is the point where a lot of traders will jump into trades. They missed sells, so they're gonna take buys, you know, or they're gonna sell the bottom here, and that's where they lose money. I wanted to take a trade here, or, you know, on GU in this area. Price did not come there. So what am I doing now? Am I trying to catch a trade? I'm going to flip my buys into buys, try to, you know, take buys until there, or take sells here. No, not really. I will just keep watching, let price do its thing. I missed the setup. Wasn't really anything unless a bigger stop loss, you know, that I'm not comfortable with. So there was no setup for me. To live 1 month in Dubai, I'd say like 10k. Dubai is expensive. Philippines, maybe next week. Now you cannot access Discord without the course. Stream on Monday? Yeah, we'll do a stream on Monday. The invalidation for EU sell, there's no invalidation. This should just continue going lower. But for this area, basically it invalidated because we made a new low. So I need to see where this low ends so I can mark up again. Match trader sucks. I don't like match trader. I don't know how good is it now, but I know when I used it like a few months ago, it was pretty shit. So that's why I prefer Trade Locker. How much gain is realistic? I'd say 2 to 3% a month is very good. Goodbye, Bankster. Sorry we missed the move. I'm salty about it too, because GU did move quite nicely. 30 pips on GU. Only if it could have wicked a little bit higher, you know, give us 1 minute confirmation, take the sell from there, but obviously didn't want us to win. And EU, don't even want to talk about EU, because EU is gonna head lower for sure. And we got stopped out. Probably gonna end the week at 0.5% loss. Come back next week, we'll probably see further sells. So let's see, but this should continue lower. Yeah, SMAC is pretty good. Alright guys, that's it for me. Unfortunately we missed the setup, wanted to take sales on GU in this area, it left without us. EU same thing, wanted to take sales in this area, it left without us. And gold, not really looking at gold sales, but it should continue towards this Asia low and this low right there. So everything should continue bearish, EU, GU, gold for this session, and probably tomorrow as well. Maybe we'll see a pullback tomorrow, but I don't really trade Fridays. So we'll see how price sets up. I'm still gonna take a look on the charts like after an hour or so. And if you guys, you know, enjoyed the stream, want to see more of it, we had 250 people joining. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys.